Now, students, today I will explain Ohm's law with Ohm's law apparatus. This is your Ohm's law apparatus. Here is the voltmeter and here is the ammeter. And the circuit which is inside this apparatus looks like this. And you can see here this ammeter is connected in series. And this is your voltmeter, and voltmeter is connected in parallel. So two things that you are learning now, that ammeter is always connected in series and a voltmeter is always connected in parallel. And first I will explain Ohm's law once more. So your Ohm's law states that the electric current flowing in a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of the conductor, provided the temperature and the other physical conditions of the conductor remains the same. That means temperature will remain same, the circuit diagram will remain same, every other parameters, that is all other physical conditions like humidity, etc., should remain same here. And we are also at this place we are maintaining all these parameters, so we can verify Ohm's law. Hope we can verify Ohm's law with this apparatus. Now this is called a variable resistance, and it has got a special name in our subject. This is called rheostat, and I am showing you a rheostat here. Here is a rheostat. You can change the resistance by sliding this slider. This is a slider, and you can increase or decrease the resistance of a circuit. So in circuit diagram, these variable resistances are shown with an arrow, and this arrow is the slider. And if you slide this arrow, the resistance of this circuit will change. Okay. Now I am switching on the apparatus. Now the apparatus is switched on, and you can see that here is the voltmeter and here is the ammeter, and you can see if the voltage is increased, then current will also increase. So you can see here with this knob I am increasing the voltage, and simultaneously the current is also increasing. You can see here the pointer is indicating. So if the temperature is constant, you can see that as the voltage increases, the current is also increases, and this is Ohm's law. As the voltage increases, current is also increases. You can see here the indicator. Now voltage is decreasing, and current will also decrease if the voltage is decreased. And you can see here from the indicator, when voltage decreases, the current is decreased. Again, if I increase the voltage, the current will increase. With this knob, I am actually sliding the slider, and if the slider is when the slider is slide over the wire, resistance wire, the resistance changes, and simultaneously the potential difference also changes. And if the potential difference changes, the current changes. So what I am doing here, actually I am increasing the potential difference, and simultaneously the current is also increasing here. And if I increase the voltage, the current will increase, and if I decrease the voltage, the current will decrease. So this much is all about your Ohm's law and its practical appearance. Okay, so this is your Ohm's law apparatus, and with this apparatus we verify Ohm's law. Okay, thank you and happy reading.